In the old textbooks, they calculate terms of trade using fractions. The modern exam marking schemes use decimal point answers, but fractions are still acceptable nowadays. And if you're having trouble just working out terms of trade, fractions can actually be a bit more intuitive and a bit easier just to establish what you're doing. So in this example, we can see UK producing one worker producing 10 cars, another worker producing 20 machines, and China 20 and 60. So just in terms of trade, what is one machine worth in terms of cars in the UK and then in China? So to work that out, you just make the 21. So just say what is one machine worth, and how we establish that is you simply divide the 10 by the 20, so the cars by the machines. 10 over 20 equals 1 over 2. So the terms of trade there are starting off, at least we know that one machine is worth half a car in the UK. Go down to China then, and then one machine will be worth 20 over 60, which will be 1 over 3 cars. So the terms of trade now for machines will be between a half and a third of a car. If we go the other direction, just use a different colour, so one car will be worth, then this time we'll divide the machines by the cars, so that'll be 20 over 10, which is obviously 2 over 1 or 2. And then in China, one car will be then 60 over 20, which will be 3 over 1 or 3. So the terms of trade then for cars will be between 2 and 3 units of machines. And then just to finish that out, you would write it out something like this in the exam, that machines will be traded for, as we said, between a half and a third units of cars. So machines will be traded for between a half and a third units of cars. And then cars, going the other way, will be traded for between 2 and 3 units of machines. We established that up here. Now, if you feel confident then and you want to convert that into decimals, that's fine, but it's okay to use fractions when explaining terms of trade.